everyone, we are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews today, and we got these, I don't know, curtains or blinds, or I don't even know what they are. I'm going to open them up and see what's up because we got a couple of things for the room. Okay, so these are the mini blinds. We got these off Amazon because they came in gray. We couldn't get gray at Home Depot or Lowe's. Did not have gray in stock. We had to order it, and they, I didn't feel like ordering it because if you're going to order, we might as well order from Amazon. That's kind of how I separate the two. If I want it right away or I need big items, I go to Lowe's or Home Depot. If I got to order it, I'm already paying for Prime. I might as well just keep going with Prime just because the more you order, the more returns you can do, right? Because if I order 100 items, I can return 10 items that didn't work. If I only order 10 items, you can't return all 10. Amazon's going to take your account away. So that's the reason why it's just easier to keep all your orders in one place. So we got 36 inch by 64 inch in gray color. This is kind of what the box does look like. These are very kind of simple, I guess, things right here. There's nothing like special on here. That's just the sizes. Let's get them open. So I'm just going to do an install on one of them, probably on this window in front, and then, because I'm not going to install both, that doesn't make sense. So there's the stick, there's that. Let's see. I installed like a bunch of these already from Lowe's and Home Depot. So let's see if they're very similar how to install. Because they usually make it a very quick install, is usually what they do on all these things now, because they're losing the point. So here's the instructions, just in case you lose yours and you guys need to see what's up here. You guys can give that a pause. So we'll just scan it like this, and then you guys could just give that a pause. Okay, there we go. You saw an installation of my other one, so you could check those videos out to compare it. I don't have anything side by side. Oh, these are cool. These seem actually a little bit nicer and thicker than the Home Depot and Lowe's ones. Not a lot. This is not a step up of commercial. This is like 10%, 15% thicker. It's not like double the thickness, or I'm just letting you know. It does feel a little bit better quality than the ones that I saw in the store, but not like, commercial grade or anything like that. I don't know if I'm going to use these screws. I usually use my own screws just because these screws strip on me all the time, and I don't have good luck. They don't give you ones with nice, strong, deep heads. These are the clips to hold down these so they don't blow, I guess, in the wind and stuff, but we never install these. But this is very simple. It looks like the same exact thing. You just put it on at the top, right? And then does it say, the other ones at least tell you which one's top and which one's bottom. So all right, so we're going to do a top mount. We're going to do an installation really quick. Make sure when you are installing it, you know where the things are up here when you put the brackets up there, because you don't want to have them in the way while you're trying to snap this thing together. So they have this very simple little setup. It doesn't tell you what's bottom and what's top, but I looked at the instructions, and the groove goes right there. So we're pretty much just going to put this just like this. I'm not using the screws that they gave. I'm using my own because that's just how I am. All right, so I think it just clips on the top right here, and then you kind of just fold it into it. All right, so that's it. That's kind of what you can expect it to look like. Very simple, open and close kind of feature, obviously.
Oh, they look nice.
All right, so that's it for Glenn Velvet Reviews on the installation of that. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community. Everybody enjoy, be safe, I'm out, bye-bye.